What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Fox Body Garage back at it again, guys. Today's episode, or debacle, or nightmare, whatever you want to call it, is going to be the accessory drive brackets mounted to the LS that's sitting in between the fenders of this 1971 C10. The kit comes off of a 2012 either Corvette or Camaro. I believe they're both the same accessory drive brackets and kit. I did purchase it from Chevrolet, so it should come with everything we need. I already opened the boxes and laid it out. Let's take a look at what we got. Today we have a buddy of mine today, Enzo. He came over, gave us a hand again. Good friend of mine. I know him for years, like I stated in the last video. So let's say hi to Enzo. And here's the accessory drive kit that comes from Chevrolet. It comes in this big box. And let's see what they give you. Let me check the paperwork and see if we can see what it says. Okay. This is the paperwork it came with. It says bolt, hex, head. They give you a part number and they tell you everything that comes in the kit. Okay? And I believe this kit is like $1,400 and it's supposed to come with everything. You could buy this kit with AC or without AC. Of course, the customer or a good friend of mine who I'm doing the build for, he had AC in the car or the truck already. I'll give you guys a quick view because it's really, what he wants. He wants AC and he's getting it. So here's the AC stuff, all the lines and stuff like that. So we're going to see if we can get that working. And back to the accessory drive kit. Okay, like I said, you can purchase this kit with or without AC. In the first box, they give you a brand new alternator. Pretty nice. Can't complain. Brand new. Hopefully it charges. The next box is the AC compressor. That's right here. Brand new GM. I must state that all these parts state they're made in Canada. So they're not made in Mexico, they're not made in China, they're made in Canada. Here's the bracket, the main bracket that probably holds everything together. I do not know how this stuff goes. I never put one on. We're going to learn as we go. Here's another bracket, brand new they give you. They give you 3 idlers. They give you this aluminum spacer or bracket. Where it goes, we still don't know. The nice thing about it is they give you the bolt kits in saran wrap, and it's labeled each part number for what it's for, which I think is really cool of GM. I guess that's why they call it Connect and Cruise, because it's pretty much, bolt-on deal. Shouldn't be too complicated. I don't want to jinx myself, but that's... And they give you, I guess this is the power steering pump right here. And inside that, they give you the power steering reservoir. Like I said, I don't know how any of this stuff goes together just quite yet. But as we get going and we figure it out, I guess I'll document it and give you guys an update. So that's what Fox Body Garage is doing today, guys. We got the accessory drive kit straight from Chevrolet. Let's see if the box has a part number for anybody who's interested in purchasing it like this instead of sourcing everything on your own, going to the junkyards. I mean, if you can afford it, I think it might be a better way to go. There's a part number. There's a part number. A special thanks to Eagle Chevrolet in Long Island. That's where I purchased the motor and everything and the accessory drive and all that stuff. So that's today's task, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, smash that subscribe button, baby. Smash it, guys. I appreciate it. It don't really do anything for anybody except me. It makes me happy that I see people are interested in what I'm doing. Even if I'm doing it wrong, if you think something's wrong or you don't like what I'm doing, the comments are always welcome, good or bad. I'm not afraid to take criticism. And that's what we're doing today, me and Enzo. We're going to try to figure this out. I mean, this is what we're starting with. Absolutely nada. The only thing it comes, when you buy the LS Connected Cruise motor and tranny, it comes with the water pump and the balancer installed. Of course, the coils and the fuel rails. And then we're going to get into the fuel system, because I noticed there's no return line for the fuel system, which is pretty cool, because I believe they sell the filter from the Corvette that has a built-in regulator and everything. So I might be able to use that suitcase gas tank and just get an external pump. If the fuel main line for the suitcase gas tank is on the bottom of the tank, because I know external pumps don't like to suck too much. They'd rather just push. So we'll see what happens when that part of the build comes. So Fox Body Garage, we're on it. LS Swap C10 1971. We're trying to get it done, guys. We got other builds. We got the other Mustang to do. I think, Enzo, what kind of build you got? What do you want to build next?
I don't know just yet.
What projects do you have?
I got the Caprice. We got to do a body restoration.
So he's got some bodywork projects he wants to do?
We got 2 Fieros we got to get going.
He's got 2 Fieros. What do you want to do with those?
We got the turbo swap. We got to get that motor going.
Okay.
And get it in the car. And then we got the
I believe that's a GT. Mega Squirt car also. Yes. So we'll be doing a Mega Squirt standalone, and we'll be doing a tuning on that. And stay tuned, guys. 2021 is going to be a good year. Hopefully everybody's going to be safe. This coronavirus shit is driving everybody nuts. Excuse my French, but we're trying to get through it as a country. Name of my channel is Fox Body Garage America. And America is where it's at, guys, whether you like it or not. Either be American or be square. So with that said, guys, stay tuned. We'll be around for a further update once we finish figuring out this accessory drive kit. And we'll go from there. I know Chevrolet states it's Connected Cruise. So far, the only hiccup I had putting that motor in was that transmission. I did crawl under the truck. We did check out the drive shaft. It is a 2-piece drive shaft, like I showed you guys the last time. I'll show you again. Excuse the noise for the heater, because it's cold today. It's about 30 degrees, and it's not bad in here. So we got the 2-piece drive shaft. Let's see if we can get you a better view. Right there. So we got to change the yoke on that. I think we might get lucky with the length. The length might be right on. So we got to try to get a 6L80 yoke. I believe it's 32 spline. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not 100% on none of this, guys. This is all new to me. As I go, we're figuring it out, and that's what's going on. So stay tuned, guys, for an update. Let's see how we get this done today, how much we get done, how far we get. And once again, stay tuned. We'll be back. Fox Body Garage.